In this video, I will show you how to download Fortnite on Android. So let's jump straight into it. So although Fortnite is not available on the Play Store, there is still a way to download and play Fortnite on your Android device. Now in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up the settings app on your device. And what you want to do from here is come into the apps section. So if you just scroll down, you can see it's here. Then once the apps have loaded, what you're going to want to do is find the Google Chrome app on your device. So you just want to scroll through, you can see the Chrome app here. So just go ahead and press onto the app. And that's going to take you across to the app info screen. Now the first thing you're going to want to do from here is just scroll down to the bottom and you're going to see an option here which says install unknown apps. So what you want to do is press onto this and make sure that the switch is on so that is set to allowed. So once you've gone ahead and done that, what you can now do is open up a new mobile browser on your device. Then from here, what you want to do is come across to google.com and just go ahead and type Epic Games into the search box. And then go ahead and press enter. Now what you need to do is go ahead and press the top result to take you to the official Epic Games website. And then from here, you want to come up to the top left hand corner and press onto the Epic Games icon. Then you can see the option to play Fortnite. So just go ahead and press to that here. Next, what you need to do is go ahead and press the yellow play now button here. And that's going to take you to a screen like this. So you can see at the very top, it says download on Android. So just go ahead and press onto this option. And what it's going to do is come up with a pop-up like this. So all you want to do is go ahead and press download. And it's going to come up with a message like this. Of course, this is completely safe. So you can just go ahead and press download anyway. That's going to go ahead and download this onto your device. So once that's downloaded, what you can do is go ahead and open this up, and what it's going to do is ask if you want to install the Epic Games Store app. So what you want to do is go ahead and press install. So it's just going to take a minute to run through and install this on your device, and once that's done, just go ahead and press open. So here we are on the Epic Games Store app. Now all you want to do is go ahead and find Fortnite, so you can see that's here. Go ahead and press onto this and then press the blue install button. So as you can see, it's now currently downloading and installing Fortnite onto your device. So it just takes a minute to do this. And once that's finished, you're going to see a blue launch button. So all you need to do now is go ahead and press the blue launch button. And of course, what's going to happen is going to go ahead and launch Fortnite on your device. So as you can see, there's still a few updates to install, but once those updates have finished, you will be able to go ahead and play Fortnite on your Android device. So that is how to go ahead and download Fortnite on Android. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.